signs of bad financial health. And basically hii ni wakati unaangalia your finances and you can tell that things are not looking so good, because most people don't like talking about their finances. But ukianza kuona some of these signs, then you can know that things are going south for you when it comes to your finances. So first things first, if you're struggling to cover your monthly expenses, then it means that your finances need to be put in order. Okay, and this is whereby unapata watu wakifika 15th 20th hawana pesa ingine, so they either take bad loans to just finish off the month. Okay, so that can be one of the signs that your finances are not in order. Then we have those people who don't have emergency funds or retirement plans in place. Then hapo pia it should be a red flag for you that your finances are not in order, because emergency kitokea tena, most probably you're going to end up taking bad loans. Remember, we said you should always be having an emergency fund to take care of anything that might arise when you're not ready for it. And please note, kama kuna hizi apps, you already know they can give you money because you have maybe a good credit score with them, you always pay on time. So you're also thinking that is your money, that is your emergency fund. No, it is not. The fact that you'll have to pay it back with some interest, na si kidogo interest, a good amount of money, then that is not your emergency fund. Hiyo ni pesa ya mtu mwingine. Okay? Then most times ikifika maybe 5th, you're supposed to be paying your rent, you can't pay your rent. Maybe 10th, you're supposed to pay for your Wi-Fi, you're not able to pay for that. Maybe another 17th, you're supposed to pay for another subscription that you need, then you can't really afford it. Then it tells you that your finances are not in order. So isn't your signs unafaa ukiangalia, so that if you see one of these signs, you just sit down, look at your finances, look at what is happening with your finances, know where your money is going, understand what is happening. If you're either overspending or something that came up and unajua ika affect your finances, then you need to be able to sort it out and go back to your feet in terms of managing your finances properly. And kama kawaida, if you're not budgeting, so basically you don't have a clear plan for your money, in case upate pesa, what do you do with it? So for example, I know wengine wenu huwa mna budget maybe ile pesa you are expecting. Maybe you have a salary, ama your business also pays you some money or some upkeep, but you never really know what to do saa zile unapata pesa yenye huko umetarajia. Cause most times what people do, ukipata pesa yenye huko unatarajia, you either end up just doing impulse buying or just doing something that you cannot even account for. Yeah, so you should be having a plan. So in case leo mtu anitumia 50k or someone just, I get money I did not expect, what am I supposed to do? Should I invest it? Should I say maybe 50% of this money should go to something? Or like, you should have a clear plan for every money that you get. It's going to be doing something for you, because that is the only way you're actually going to achieve those big dreams and goals that you have, if you have a plan. Then lastly, if you find yourself paying loans, or basically what you owe people, more than 40% of your income, then that is also another sign that your finances need to be looked at and worked on. Because kama unalipa madeni za more than 40% of your income, how are you surviving? Because that's literally almost half of your income. So it tells me there is a big problem, and chances of you taking another loan to survive are very high. Okay, so kama uko na one of these signs, please sit down, just have a plan, look at what is going on with your finances, it's about time people understood that you need to understand your numbers, and you need to understand the relationship that you have with your finances. If you do not have a good relationship with your finances, then every other time you will be worried, you will be stressed, you will be taking out bad loans and what have you. Okay, so please plan, please budget, please set goals, and you will see some change. Your future self will be very grateful that you actually did something earlier on. Okay, so I hope you have learned, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.